Chachapat University. Today I will present a new innovation. This is a wonderful book. This is an English book for general learner. The exterior of this book is look like general book, but inside book has appearance and function similar a computer or tablet. The special of this book is for the English book. There are many contents of this book, such as vocabulary, grammar, part of speech, conversation, tense, and anything else. For the English book means picture, taste, smell, and sound. 1. Picture. This book has many pictures about vocabulary and illustrate lessons that make the learner are interested and want to learn about it. The picture in this book is not same another picture which you used to see because it looks like a real thing. 2. Taste. We are learning about food. If we are learning about food, we can use finger touch food picture to learn about the taste, and then we will know the taste of food that's all. 3. Smell. We can smell everything that we are seeing in this book, such as food, flower, and beverage. 4. Sound. When we will learn about vocabulary, grammar, part of speech, conversation, or tense, we will hear the correct pronunciation of English as the standardization. And don't worry that the content of this book will be boring because it is a learning by listening to music and watch movies. The learner can practice pronunciation and practice speak English with foreigners, as same as we really speak with the foreigner. I think this book will be useful for the learners because it is funny to understand, and when you read this book, you don't feel bored. Finally, don't worry that the book will be very big, thick, and heavy because we are designed to be slim and easy to carry. But the content of this book remains complete and benefit for learning. Thank you for your attention.